Life on the Timeline. Part 2. Evolution of life on Earth.
The Greek philosophers such as Aristotle, 384 BC, 322 BC, and his numerous medieval followers/supporters believed in a static universe, which held that living organisms were created initially and then remained essentially unchanged. The theological evidences firmly believe in spontaneous birth of human as an act of God, whereas the scientific theorists validate that the human came into being as a gradual evolutionary process. According to the theory of evolution, human evolution is the lengthy process of change by which people originated from ape-like ancestors. Scientific evidence shows that the physical and behavioral traits shared by all people originated from ape-like ancestors and evolved over a period of approximately 6 million years. Charles Darwin, 1809 to 1882, was an English naturalist. His proposition that all species of life have descended from a common ancestor is now generally accepted and considered a fundamental concept in science. Darwin states that evolution happens by natural selection, wherein individuals in a species show variation in physical characteristics. As a consequence, those individuals most suited to their environment survive and, given enough time, the species will gradually evolve. The crux of Darwin's theory of evolution focuses on the elimination of inferior species gradually over time through a process called natural selection. Theory of human evolution suggests that the first mammal was evolved 225 million years ago. Then the dinosaurs went extinct and the first primate, monkey, evolved some 65 million years ago. The first hominid, human-like primate, was evolved 6 million years ago and the species of Homo 2 million years ago. The Homo-sapiens came into being some 50,000 years ago. The first humans, one of the earliest known humans is Homo habilis, or handy man, who inhabited the planet Earth about 2.4 to 1.4 million years ago in eastern and southern Africa. The extinct robust human race of Middle Paleolithic in Europe and Western Asia is also known as Homo sapiens, Neanderthalensis, Neanderthal, or the Neanderthal man. Neanderthals are an extinct species or subspecies of archaic humans who lived in Eurasia until about 40,000 years ago. Wikipedia. Scientists have assigned various names to the several distinct species of Homo sapiens. Homo neanderthalensis, Neanderthal, or the Neanderthal man from the Neander Valley, evolved in Europe and Western Asia. Homo erectus, the upright man, lived in the eastern regions of Asia for nearly 2 million years, making it the most durable human species ever. Homo soloensis, solo man, Homo erectus, man from the Solo Valley, lived on the island of Java, in Indonesia. Homo floresiensis lived on another small Indonesian island of Flores. The archaic humans underwent a process of dwarfing over the generations due poor nutritional resources, as they were trapped on island due to rising of the sea level. This unique species reached a maximum height of only 1 meter and weighed no more than 25 kilograms. Homo denisova is name given to another lost sibling by the scientists, which was discovered through a fossilized finger bone found in 2010 while excavating the Denisova cave in Siberia. Genetic analysis proved that the finger belonged to a previously unknown human species. Who knows how many lost relatives of ours are waiting to be discovered in other caves, on other islands, and in other climes. While these humans were evolving in Europe and Asia, evolution in East Africa did not stop. The cradle of humanity continued to nurture numerous new species, such as Homo rudolfensis, man from Lake Rudolph, Homo ergaster, working man, and eventually our own species, which we've immodestly named Homo sapiens, the wise man. The members of some of these species were massive and others were dwarves. Some were fearsome hunters, and others meek plant gatherers. Some lived only on a single island, while many roamed over continents. But all of them belonged to the genus Homo. They were all human beings. Our siblings, according to speculative reconstructions, are Homo rudolfensis, extinct specifies or archaic human from East Africa, Homo erectus, East Asia, and Homo neanderthalensis or Neanderthals, Europe and Western Asia. All are humans.